Hey, this is Lefty Pickle. Thanks for watching my channel and watching this video. Today, what we got is a. I had to fix that lens cover, otherwise it'll be falling all over the place here. The infamous lens cover. What we got here is a Sylvania lamp. This is the kind of lamp that goes out that you may see out in the parking lot, like lighting up the parking lot at night. Even like stadium lights and what have you. This one here is 150 watt, and I'm thinking don't say what originally was in here, but you can switch them out depending on what kind of ballast you put in there. You could switch to a sodium light from a mercury lighting system or a metal halide. So it all depends on when the transformer goes, and you can pick and choose. The good thing about this type of lamp is that you can choose whatever wattage or whatever volts you're running to that particular location. I work on these at work, and this didn't come from work, but I work on very similar lighting systems for a parking lot. And they're fun. It's an easy once you learn how to do it. It's fairly easy. I've been doing maintenance at this one facility now for a couple of years. I used to be a chef, and I don't mean like fry cook at McDonald's or something like that. 4.5-star places. But I retired from that. I had enough. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it anymore after almost 40 years of it. What we're going to do is we're going to clip these wires. This piece of aluminum in here, the gasket, diameter of that light socket is, find something here for scale. How about a tape measure? That socket is 1.75 inches, and the fixture itself is 2 inches. You all across the pond. It's about 45 centimeters. So anyways, this is steel. I'm not going to bother with the brass in there. This is steel. This here, that's the igniter. What it does is this sends a pulse of energy to the bulb to start the reaction on the inside of the bulb. Let's give you a moment off. Oh, you son of a gun. Capacitor. This is a capacitor. I've had this sitting for a few days. And that's son of a monkey. I need a 5/16 deep body. Let me see if I can 5/16. Just sitting in there. That's what we're after. Back it is cast aluminum. I'll take this steel off here. Clean up the rest of the steel off there. It's about 4 pounds there. This one here, it cooked. It smells. The burn smell is unbelievable. See, it has a wiring diagram based upon 120, 277, another 278 common. So you can pick and choose wires. Put that with our low grade. I'm suspecting this. No, it's pretty heavy. £7, 6-7 pounds. Seven and a half. 3.45 kilos. Of course, that's steel. How to open these. There's welds here. I go down there, go along there with a cold chisel, give it a whack. It'll start bending away from there. This this will come off. So that meets up with this. Then this just pops right out. Once you can get underneath there and just work this weld so it'll break, and you can take that out of there. Hey, I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to have up on this bench, what I'm going to have going on in my fume hood, what I'm going to be doing on my truck. Actually, trucks. I got two different trucks. I got a 07 Dakota and a 2000 Dakota. The one that the spring video was on, I still have that truck. And I saved it from the scrap yard a few times already. So we're going to be doing some welding on there. Hand forming the sheet metal. So I'm not this is not going to be a one trick channel. So I'll throw a bunch of stuff out there, see what you guys see what the subscribers like, and I'll do more of that. So anyways, take care, peace, be safe.